So, what's going on, people? 1 second. Okay, so, since December is in about a week, I found this out, like 2 days ago. I didn't get to make a video, but, here it is. I saved my cat, Harley. He was a feral, and he's still a little chicken, but he's saved, so he's good. He's still a baby, so he's a good boy. So, adopt a cat or animal, whatever, save a life. Now that picture that I just showed you up there, it says, you didn't get to read it. Save a life. They weren't made to suffer. Help them. Go report animal abuse if you see it. A broken rib, a fractured skull, a broken heart. Why can't you leave me alone? That's what the dog thing is saying. I don't know what that was. They just drew something cute, but I didn't know it was gonna turn out to be that. So, yeah. So remember, and think of the good side. If there's no more animal abuse, there's no more of those sad ASPCA commercials. So, sorry, I was just gonna add that up there, so just wanted to say that. So yeah, think of that, and all of them won't suffer. December. Awareness Month. Okay, so even any like wild animals, that's what this is made for. So don't hurt any animals in December. Okay, well that's it.